Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Remember, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. One of the things I like most about the classes I teach is that my students generally feel comfortable enough with me to occasionally have a little laugh at my expense. As many of you may know, I'm the co-author of the Outcomes series of General English coursebooks. And this week, one of my students, who's also a teacher herself, mentioned the fact that she's now using the books with her students, and she then added with a sly look on her face that that's why the texts are quite challenging for my class. Taking this in the spirit in which it was intended, I responded by saying, "Oh, are you having a little dig at me there?" If you have, or make, or take a dig at somebody, you basically make a comment that's designed to criticise or embarrass or, as in this instance, make fun of and laugh at somebody. So maybe sometimes when celebrities kind of make Oscar acceptance speeches, for example, their speeches may contain a sly dig at the government. Maybe you've seen people online taking or making a dig at other people's English while making mistakes with their own English in the process. And maybe you've worked in a rather toxic, competitive environment where you have these kind of alpha beings who are desperate to get to the top, all making digs at each other to try to be one up on everyone else in the office. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, I'd love to see examples of how you might use have or make or take a dig at people.